Hi, welcome to my sewing room. So I am back today with a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive box. This is the 2019 limited edition Jolly Box. I don't think I've gotten one of these before, so I decided to give it a try. So I forgot to pre-cut the tape. I just got it. I literally just got it off my doorstep. And this has this strong tape, so here we go. That's good. Okay, here goes. Ta-da! What kind of goodies do we have? Here's the Jolly Box card. It is a value at over $65. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I'll find out and I'll put it right along the bottom there for you. Okay, this is the stuff that's in here. We'll do the fabric last. Ooh, this is cool. Looks like it. Oh, it is a whisk. I'm thinking it looks like a whisk. Maybe it's something tricky. I'm going to leave it in the bag for now, but that's pretty cool. Because I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Because I've got like a gazillion whisks. I might give it away or something. We'll see. So it says, "Whisk you a Merry Christmas, Fat Quarter Shop." And here it is. Pretty cool. I could use that on my boat. I don't really cook much on the boat, so no. But anyway, there it is. Let's see, what does it say? It's not really, okay, here. Oh, okay, I guess it twists. It opens and closes so it lays flat. That's actually pretty cool. It says, "This dual-purpose whisk is the perfect addition to spice up your kitchen this holiday season. Unique gadget that transforms from a flat spatula to a whisk with a simple twist of the tip." So, just reach inside here and turn them. Okay, had a small interruption there. But you just take the inside and turn it. So that's how it goes. Then you turn it back. Oh, you know what? It turns down here. There we go. You just turn the tip. Pretty cool. Let's see. I don't think it says anything about a price, so I have no idea how much it is. Okay. Next item is cookie cutter, collectible acrylic template. Double the fun and use it as a Christmas ornament. Here's that packaging. And here's what it looks like. That's cute. Cookie cutter, collectible acrylic template. That's crazy. I guess that'd make it easy, but can you imagine cutting around all that? So, this exclusive wonky star ornament can only be found in this Jolly Box, and it doubles as an applique template to boot. By layering it on top of the sugar plum stockings, it truly is the icing on the cookie. That's cool. This is the double tumbler template by It's So Emma. Perfect for pre-cuts. Made in the USA. We like that. Alright, so let's say, and here's the back of it, or the actual template. Okay. The double tumbler template is the gift that keeps on giving. With both chunky and skinny tumbler options, you can make any tumbler shape from 1 inch to 5 inch finished, letting you customize each project. There's that. Next one is the special Jolly Box Edition 80/20 Silky Jolly Blend. 80% natural cotton, 20% superior polyester. Machine or hand quilt up to 10 inches apart. And this will work for a table runner that is 19 by 55 inches. I think it's the one I started to read earlier that I thought was the... Here it is. This 80/20 batting is just the right size for a small Christmas craft like the Sugar Plum Stocking set. Easy to quilt on your home machine with just enough Santa snuggle softiness. So there's that. Here's what it looks like. It's unbleached, I believe. It's not white. Doesn't say, or it might say, but Let's see, pre-washing your batting is not recommended. Okay. Let me get this booklet. Let me get this box out of the way. We have the Sugar Plum stocking pattern, Jolly Box exclusive. Those are cute. I want to make some stockings. I wanted to make so many things. Let's see. This is all the directions for the Make the Stockings. So they have you using the template to make these pieces. And then after you make it, then you just cut out the stocking. So that's pretty cool. So they're just showing different color options, I guess, and the different ways to use it. So there's this way with the big with the shorter end, and then there's this way with the pointier end, and then that will look like that. Then they cut out the stockings. That's cool. Okay, now the fabric. The fun, Christmassy fabric. If I can get it open. This is some tough plastic. These are some scissors. Okay. This is... So we also have a 25% off fat quarter bundle. 25% off fat quarter bundles. And here's the fabric. Okay. So it says, while Jack Frost settles in outside, we're warming things up with a delectable set of 7 fat quarters from We Whisk You a Merry Christmas by Kimber Bell. In a rich classic palette of red, green, black, and white, these Christmas sweet-themed fabrics usher in good memories and set the mood to make and bake. So, 7 pieces. Here's the tag. Let's open this up. Super cute. I'll put a link down below if this is available. Like how fun that is. It's all geared towards baking. Holiday baking. That's cute. And we got some colorful polka dots. And a green backing Christmas one. Christmas baking words. And we have the gray Christmas theme in gray. And this checkered plaid, whatever it is. Plaid, I guess that is. And we have a black one. It's really cute too. So that is everything. What a fun, cute little box. Like I said, if I can find any prices, I'll put them on the, they'll show up for you on the screen. And I think that's everything. If you have any questions about it, I'll put a link down below for any of the items that I can find, if they may have available. Like they're all, I think most of them are exclusive, so I don't think you can get any of them. I did forget to read the paper with this. It says, the Sugar Plum stocking pattern is a perfect project for your holiday ho-ho home. With just a little maker's magic, you can whip up these darling pair of stockings in a twinkle of an eye. So there's the picture that they show you. I guess it's the same as this one, actually. So that is it. Cute, fun box. To decide what I'm going to do with that whisk. And other than that, thanks so much for stopping by. I have some other videos, and if you haven't yet, hope you subscribe and ding that bell so you get notice of when I post a new video. I'll have probably a few more this year. January will be slow because I'm having surgery mid-January. And I'll probably be out for about at least a month. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for stopping by and see you again soon. Bye.